Working with Plungie has honestly been probably the most straightforward process out of anything to do with this project. That was so easy to deal with, so easy to communicate with. The communication was constant all the time. Whenever we needed any documentation, it was readily available for us. And you know, when we were those clients and decided to change the pool from the arena to the original, nothing was too much trouble. So can't speak highly enough of them. The flexibility around delivery to site as well was also amazing.
From a builder's perspective, it was really good working with Plungie because they've got their own engineering team. So I could communicate daily with them just to make sure everything was right with the pool, what was below the pool was going to be compliant and hold this pool up.
I mean, did they want to communicate with you daily?
I was probably a bit of a pain in the bum, but you know you've got that support if you really need it,
That's
which
exactly
is what everyone really needs.